Welcome to JH. Surrati Royal Musk is your typical clean, creamy, musky fragrance that tries to hit every floral and sweet note in the book. It kicks off with a fresh citrus opening, balanced by woody and nutty hints that lead into a heart of musk and rose. Because apparently, we haven't smelled enough roses in our lifetime. The base leans into a sweet, powdery finish that most users describe as a soft skin scent. It's pleasant and wearable for your average Tuesday, assuming you don't mind smelling like a high-end baby nursery. If you're feeling extra, the sweet powdery variant swaps the subtleness for a blend of vanilla and woods. It's warm, comforting, and slightly more indulgent than the original, perfect for those who think subtle is just another word for boring. Longevity is surprisingly above average, sticking around for several hours, though the projection is moderate. It won't announce your arrival from 3 blocks away, which is probably a blessing for your coworkers. Of course, it's not all sunshine and rose petals. Some critics complain that the dry down feels a bit weak or aggressively powdery, and the sugar levels in the caramel and toffee variants might give you a sensory cavity. Plus, since it's often compared to more expensive musks, you might find it a bit derivative. But hey, if you want to smell like a mainstream perfume without the mainstream price tag, who am I to judge your lack of originality?